Hello student. Today we are learning about our topic second on file management and organization of data. Okay, what is the meaning of file? If we use Microsoft Word and save our file, then how to save our file? That file goes some extension, like in MS Word the extension of that file is .doc. Okay, .doc. If you use Acrobat Reader, then .pdf. If you use Notepad, then .txt. So on. Each and every software has the different extension. Okay, in this topic or first topic, I will explain how to move copy data from one drive to another drive. Okay, what is the meaning of this? How to copy and how to paste our data drive to drive. Okay, I will explain one thing. Okay, this is our file. Okay, these are our drives. Okay, new volume D and local disk C, these are our hard disk partitions. Okay, if this is my file, okay, I want to copy or cut or move this file. Okay, just simple steps are there. Suppose I want to copy this file into this partition, into this partition, D partition into C partition. Okay, look the practical steps. Okay, just click on this file, select this file, right click. Okay, then copy the file. Okay, go to back button, then open the C drive and again using right click mouse, then again paste button. Okay, okay, the file come into the C partition, tutorial first class 66. Okay, tutorial first class 66, both location this file is saved. Okay, again I will show the practical. Okay, suppose I want to move this file. Okay, just click on this file, right click using mouse, then copy, then back button, then click here and right click again mouse and paste. Just copy and paste. This is so simple procedure. Okay, again this file is here, class 6 word session second. Okay, this is our D partition, class 6 session second and tutorial first class 66. Okay, here also that file, same copy of file, and here also same copy of file. Then again, what is our second topic? Compare different file formats. Okay, here I will show you the different file formats of different software. Okay, here I have the different file formats. Okay, like suppose this is our image. Okay, this is our image. Okay, what is the extension of this image? What is the file format of this image? Just click on any image. How to check the file format? Right click, then at a lower portion the properties, click on properties. Okay, one window is appear. Just check here, type of file. What is the extension of image? .jpg, jpg. Okay, then I have one word file, topic first. Just click using mouse, right click using mouse and go into property. Okay, this is our Word document. What is the extension of Word document? .docx. Okay, .docx. Okay, this is again one Adobe Acrobat file. Okay, PDF file. then click on this. Again go to properties, check your extension .pdf. Okay, these are the extension to categorize the different softwares. Okay, what is our third point? Move copy data between storage devices like your pen drive, CD and hard disks. Okay, here in this practical I am showing you how to move data from computer to pen drive and pen drive to computer. Here I am plugging my computer, my pen drive. This is my pen drive, HP. How to check our pen drive? This PC, double click on this PC or my computer. In Windows 7 my computer icon is there, and in Windows 10 this PC. Okay, just double click. Okay, this is my pen drive, HP pen drive. Okay, and these are my partitions. Okay, suppose I want to copy this data into pen drive. Okay, one procedure is right click, then copy, then again back. Okay, open HP, then just right click and paste your video, okay, or file. Okay, it directly comes into your computer. Okay, suppose I have a pen drive. Okay, suppose I have a HP pen drive, different softwares are there. Okay, suppose I want to copy this file. Suppose I have Word document file, management committee. Okay, just right click, then right click using mouse, then copy. Suppose, and I have the hard disk partition, suppose D partition. Okay, I am moving one file from pen drive to my computer hard disk partition. Just open the D partition, then using right click of mouse and paste here. Okay, the management committee file come from pen drive to our hard disk. This is so simple. You can use the keyboard shortcut keys also. For copy, Control plus C means you properly handle copy function. Control C, and for paste purpose Control V. These are two shortcut keys. Control C for copy and Control V for paste purpose. Okay, then our fourth topic, use two or more application at the same time. Okay, here I have two applications. Suppose this is our Word document. I am minimize this document. Okay, and again I am open one file. This is our PDF. This is our Adobe Reader. Okay, here I am simultaneously working on two different applications. Here two applications are running. Here Microsoft Word is running, and here Adobe is running. Okay, using simple click of mouse I am handling of two softwares. Okay, Word software, again minimize, open your Adobe software. Okay, or one simple trick is there, using your keyboard one button is there. Okay, just click on Control, okay, Alter Tab button. Okay, just click Alter Tab button. Suppose I want to select Adobe Reader, just Adobe Reader is come out. Then again I want to open Word, again press Alter and Tab key. Okay, this is so simple, Alter and Tab key. Okay, then understand all of you. Then again how to search files and folders. Okay, suppose I have one document and I am confused where I am save that document. Okay, I want to search that document. Just in Windows 10 at this corner the file one option is there, search this PC. Okay, I know my file name. What is my file name? Just click here. Okay, just click here, and suppose I have one file. Suppose this file is coming here and I forgot this file is here. Okay, just click here. Okay, just click here and search your file. Suppose TEST. Okay, then wait for some time. Okay, here I am typing test. Okay, in your the computer can search the test document. Okay, test. Okay, suppose here the different test function, test matches are there. Okay, first file is testing and development, then these are the different files. Okay, test, same similar name. Okay, whole document are searched one by one. Okay, how to search? Again I will show. Go to this PC. Okay, then here one option is there, click on this and again search your required document. Suppose I want to search my document Pradeep, PRADIP. Okay, here I will found my folder Pradeep 2018. Okay, and these are my required files in that folder. These are the so simple tricks. Okay, in today's topic we cover copy data from drive to another drive, then we learn about different file formats, how to move data from pen drive to computer and computer to pen drive. Okay, then how to use two or more application simultaneously or at a time, and at last we have seen search file and folders, how to search your files and folders. Okay, hope you understand well. Have a good day. Thank you.